Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you exactly how to download music from Artlist.io so you can get the right tracks for your creative projects quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First, head over to Artlist.io and click the sign in button at the top right. Make sure you are logging into the account connected to your active subscription. Once you are in, select Stock Catalog from the main navigation to open the library. To find the perfect track efficiently, take advantage of the filters on the left side. You can narrow down your search by mood, video theme, genre, tempo, or specific instruments. As you browse, simply hover over the track cards and click play to preview the songs. It is always a good idea to listen through the transitions and climaxes to ensure the pacing fits your video. When you find the right track, click the download icon next to the song title. A prompt will appear asking you to choose your file format. Select MP3 if you need a smaller file size for rough drafts, quick sharing, or placeholder audio. Choose WAV if you are doing final edits, professional mixing, or client delivery, as this provides the highest uncompressed audio quality. And that is it. Your track will download directly to your computer, fully licensed and ready for your timeline. If this tutorial helps streamline your workflow, leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward technical guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.